To heating it up, Wayne Kelly in the kitchen today. We're gonna make a little treat, and we're gonna start off with 1 1/4 cup of warm milk. We'll add this in here, and we're gonna have some 2 1/4 teaspoon of dry active yeast. And a pinch of sugar to feed the yeast. And we're going to let that sit for about 10 minutes, cover it up, and then we'll be right back. Alright, so our yeast has already been sitting for 10 minutes. We're going to add 2 eggs into that mixture. And we're going to add 1/4 cup of white sugar. And 1/4 of olive oil is what I prefer, but you could use any kind of oil that you like. It's just for oil. And we're going to take 1 teaspoon of salt. Just like that. And we got 4 cups of bread flour. And we're going to dump it in there slowly like that right there. And then we're going to turn it on low speed and let it mix up until it becomes a ball. And then we'll be right back. Alright. Now that it's made a ball, we're going to take this off the hook. Just like that. Okay, now we gotta work our dough in. Knead it good. Just like that.
That's okay.
Spray some oil in there. Just like that. We're going to drop it in there. We're going to flip it over. And we're going to put a saran wrap around the top of it. So now we got it covered up, and we're going to let it rest in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. Okay, so now we're going to make our filling. We're going to start off with a 1/4 cup of sugar. We're going to have 2 tablespoons of orange juice.
We're making a blueberry sauce.
And we're going to have 2 cups of fresh blueberries. And we're going to stir this in. Alright, now that we got our mixture cooked down, we're going to add a mixture of 2 tablespoons of water and 1 1/2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And we're just going to stir that right on into that. Like this right here. And that's going to thicken it up just a little bit. Okay, so now our filling is nice and thick. We're going to turn off the heat and
Wow.
okay, now we got our dough rised. We're going to go ahead and poke it down and take it out on a floured surface with just a little bit of flour
Flour.
so it don't stick on our surface. And we're going to roll it out flat. Just like that right there. Try to keep it in a rectangle. So now we got our
You use that again.
1 tablespoon of melted butter. And we're going to pour it on the top of this. And we're going to just spread it out like this here evenly all the way across our dough. And then we're going to take our brown sugar and cinnamon mix, which is 1/3 cup of brown sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And we're going to just spread that across like this.
It looks like
You like this brown sugar, don't you, son?
yeah, but it looks like a U. I think the butter looks like a U. With the letter
Mm-hmm.
of the butter.
Just gonna rub it across like this.
Hey!
Wait a minute. Alright, so now we're going to get a 1/2 cup of our blueberry sauce. And we're going to spread it up. And I tell y'all, this is the best ever blueberry cinnamon roll you'll put in your mouth. Get it? Okay, we're going to cut them in pieces. About 12 to 13 pieces here. Boy, don't that look yummy. You want to keep them kind of spaced out because they will grow as they cook. Alright, so now that we got them over there, we're going to let them go in the oven. We put them in the oven, a preheated 350 degree oven for about 18 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to make our icing. We're going to have 1 tablespoon of milk. We're going to have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we're going to have 1 cup of Confederate sugar. And we're going to whisk that together. Here's our glaze for the top. Whenever our blueberries get done here in a few minutes, we'll spread this on them and top into it. This is our the rest of the blue. Okay, now they're all nice and done. And just take this icing and spread on top gently. It will melt it down.
I like a phone. I like a phone, Mama. I like a phone.
Okay, so after you got that done, you just go back and gently spread it across, and then now we're gonna take the topping and put a spoon of this yummy, yummy stuff on top. Okay, there's your finished product. It's time to get one on a plate and have a glass of milk with it. And y'all please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below and let me know how I'm doing.